how to lock Play Store on Samsung and prevent children from downloading apps above the age limit. To prevent basically children from downloading apps above certain age limit, this not only works in Samsung but also any of the other Android devices. You want to simply open up your Play Store, then once you've done that, tap the profile icon from the top right hand side. Scroll down and tap on the option called Settings. Now here you'll find the option called Family, tap on it, then tap on Parental Controls. Then you can simply turn on Parental Controls and type the PIN that you want to use for Parental Controls in this case. Once I've entered the PIN that I want to use for it, and I can choose apps and games, and I can only allow the games that basically is rated for 7 plus or 3 plus or 12 plus or 16 plus kids, then tap on the save button to save the changes. And that way I should be able to go ahead and then lock the Play Store on Samsung and only allow downloads for certain apps. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.